Is it you want to enjoy like Krishna? So Krishna says, all right. He'll give you a whole spiritual world. That's what it means, Sarupya Mukti. You want to enjoy like Krishna. You want all the opulence. You want your own goddess of fortune. That's Sarupya Mukti. Everybody has Sarupya or Samipya. They all have desire. But even Vaikuntha, there's desire for myself. Because I want Sarupya. That's why Lord Chaitanya says, I don't want any Mukti. Because Mukti is a desire. He says Mukti and Karma is one song by Narottam Das Thakur. He says, Vishaya Kanda. He says, Karma Kanda, Jnana Kanda, Vishaya Karma Bandha. Narottam Das Thakur is saying that Kanda means the practice, the followers, the Gyanis, or the people following karma, which is 90% of India, or 99%, doing something or doing some puja to get some result, or doing some yajna to get some result, or doing some tapa to get some result. That's karma. And then again, they want also a result, but they want to merge into Brahman or get mystic cities. So he said these type of practices these are pots of poison, vishaya, visha bandha. These are just pots of poison. So the point is that we want to enjoy like Krishna. Krishna says, okay, you want to enjoy like God? You want the same form as God? Okay, Sarupya Mukti. I want live in Vaikuntha, but I want fabulous wealth, unlimited wealth. I want to have golden chariots. I just love gold and diamonds. Okay, that's Shasti Mukti. Or I want to. I just want to chill out in a beautiful place. I have lots of nice fruits, nice sunshine, nice air. I want Salokya. I want to go back home, back to Godhead. And so Godhead is an amorphous term. It means, you can ask anyone, what does it mean, Godhead? Oh, it means peace. It means bliss. It means no more envy of husbands and wives, and no more anger, and no and no more jealousy, and no more hatred. It's just peace and love. And okay, Salokya Mukti. You don't want any service. You don't want any money. You don't want to look like God with four arms. And Samipya means you want to be near God. No, I'm cool. Guru's in India, I'm in Russia. That's good. Not too close. So it's like you're on Vishnu's planet, but you never even see him. But Samipya means you're holding the door open for him. You help him up to his chariot. Samipya means you're near him, and at least you see him, and you may be doing some service, maybe. But even there, it doesn't say save. It just says Samipya. Samipya means nearness. Like I might come and just look at you. So why do you just look at me all the time? Oh, you're really handsome, you're really beautiful. Acha. Can you do anything? No, I can't do anything, I just look at you. So this is Samipya. I'm cool. If I can just see you, I'm good. Rather, everyone else says, no, I'm thinking of God in my mind. Like every other Indian. I don't go to the temple, I'm thinking of God in my mind. I don't go to the temple. So this is Salokya Mukti. You're living on Vaikuntha, but you never see. So this is all desire.